With ever-changing socio-economic landscapes, the world has undergone sea changes, turning around the ways we are living, working and socializing. Keeping up with the global scenario, the global pharma industry has also embraced holistic changes, seeking out newer innovations and healing mechanisms with its core strongly rooted in human care. We are Akums, glad to be situated at the heart of eternal and holy land of Haridwar, revered around the world as the divine gateway to gods. Taking pride as India's leading contract research manufacturer, producing more than 12% of the country's total domestically consumed medicines. Touching lives every day as we take the lead in producing medicines with advanced technologies, Akums strives to build on trust and credibility to build lasting relationships with them. We believe in offering our customers with highest quality products with every product we create, offering innovative, patient-complying and potent products for leading pharma, nutra, derma, cosmetic and veterinary companies. Equipped to produce all modern dosage forms, be it tablets, gelatin capsules, sachets, liquid syrups and suspensions, injections, eye and ear drops, ointments, creams, gels, lotions, plus Ayurveda and herbal preparations within and outside India. Over the years, we have been successful in catering to the needs of various therapeutic segments.
हम व्यापार के लिए व्यापार नहीं करते, हेल्थ के लिए करते हैं। हेल्थ हमारा जीवन है, हेल्थ हमारा मिशन है, हेल्थ हमारा विजन है। दुनिया स्वस्थ रहे, यही हमारी मनोकामना। तो हमेशा ये सोचते हैं कि पेशेंट के लिए बेहतर और क्या कर सकें। इवन हमारी इनोवेशन जो है कंपनी के अंदर, वो सारी की सारी पेशेंट फोकस होती हैं कि उसको खाने में आसानी कैसे होगी, उसका साइज छोटा कर सकते हैं क्या टैबलेट का, उसकी शेप ऐसी खा सकते हैं कि पेशेंट्स को, यूज़र को आसानी से वो कंज्यूम कर सकें। एकम्स का मतलब यही है कि हम हर रोज कल से बेहतर दवा बनाएं, कल से बेहतर लोगों को ट्रेन करें, कल से बेहतर लाइफ।
Going from strength to strength, brand Akums has carved its distinct identity through its commendable surge and breakthroughs in the healthcare sector. Our commitment to quality and innovation ensures that patients get reliable, effective treatments. At Akums, from product development and testing to production, every detail is looked at with unwavering commitment and attention. We are driving change that matters by helping create the future of pharma through innovation, transforming what is possible in healthcare today and tomorrow. In 2004, Akums took a significant step towards serving humanity, and we have since achieved great heights. Our innovative approach earned trust and credibility from partners have been instrumental in our success. At Akums, we believe that everyone deserves access to quality products, and we use innovation to leverage modern technology and improved processes to make this possible. Driven solely by the thought of good health reaching every doorstep of the country, Akums' brand story is propelled by the strength of its 15 state-of-the-art new age plants. We manufacture tablets, soft gelatin capsules, sachets and a lot more devoted towards the cure of diabetics, cardiovascular diseases, CNS and other various therapeutic segments. With impetus on high-end machinery, technology and innovation, we bring various new technologies, NDTS and unique dosage forms to treat patients better. Akums' unwavering dedication to innovation has enabled to develop an impressive array of new and innovative dosage forms that improves patient lives. Today, brand Akums stands tall as the manufacturer of 4,000 plus formulations across various therapeutic segments. Our unwavering dedication to innovation and progress compels us to continually push the boundaries in our pursuit of improving the lives of patients. Akums takes pride in its innovative technology-driven foundation leading to research and tech transfer projects ably supported by its extensive R&D and F&D departments. Dotted with well-equipped laboratories manned by some of the most talented and accomplished technical officials of the industry. With due emphasis on enhancing processes, cost reduction, quality improvement, optimum resource utilization, new product formulations and dosage forms, the commitment from Akums has been top-notch. With the R&D center led by experts handling unique functions like unique formulation development, analytical development, method validation, quality assurance and regulation have elevated to greater heights. From product precision to customer satisfaction, we've got it all covered.
हमारी 3 स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट R&D सेटअप जिसके अंदर 300 से ज़्यादा साइंटिस्ट निरंतर दिन रात इस कार्य में लगे हैं कि क्वालिटी मेडिसिन, अफोर्डेबल मेडिसिन विद बेटर एफिकेसी दुनिया के हर कोने में पहुंच सके.
Driven by idea of overcoming the seemingly impossible, always looking for ways to increase the efficacy, permeability, patient compliance and well-being with our in-house developed technologies. We operate an ICH-compliant, centralized stability testing facility fitted with 10 walk-in stability chambers and 1 photo-stability chamber. We perform stability studies at various conditions by maintaining the environmental conditions as per regulatory requirement using several AHUs, chillers, dehumidifiers, etc. The world-class centralized stability center has independent quality control lab to ensure strict regulatory compliance under the supervision of a centralized CQA team. Our sophisticated QC department is well equipped with modern equipment as per CFR compliance like Total Organic Carbon Analyzer, HPLCs, FTIR, spectrophotometers, gas chromatography equipment, etc. We perform both long-term and accelerated stability studies in addition to photo-stability studies. Innovative business offerings are changing the world by understanding opportunities and then design and manufacture products to solve them. Akums' innovative business offerings is revolutionizing pharma industries and making a positive impact on the world. With a deep understanding of opportunities, Akums designs and manufactures quality products to address every client needs effectively. The portfolio includes CDMO services, technology transfer solutions, loan license options, contract development expertise, novel drug delivery systems, novel first-time launches in India with DCGI approvals, as well as opportunities for technical collaboration and joint ventures. Through these offerings, Akums is at the forefront of transforming industries and driving innovation. Our pride lies in our state-of-the-art manufacturing plants which are equipped with ultra-modern infrastructure to meet and manufacture the increasing demand of the healthcare industry. Over the years, our enhanced production capacity and commitment to quality has played a pivotal role in establishing our credibility and garnering widespread respect within the industry. By investing in advanced equipment and rigorous quality control, we consistently meet and exceed industry standards. This dedication has built trust, fostering long-term partnerships and a strong market position. Akums shares passion for quality that goes way beyond business and statutory requirements, keeping customer satisfaction at the fore and adherence to quality control and compliance. Akums has implemented unmatchable highest standards of quality through various international and national audits that comply with the quality standards of leading pharma companies. In sync with this direction, EU GMP certifications have been bestowed upon our manufacturing facilities in Haridwar, an honor for our continuous commitment for quality and excellence. Year after year, some of the reputed clients are transforming into our valuable institutional partners, propelling our growth story. Today, the brand boasts of some exceptional institutional partners like Akums, Railways, Indian Army, Mumbai ONGCs and many more. Names that have fully trusted us with their healthcare and medicinal needs. We still seek to go a long way, chase the impossible and turn every idea into a reality. We are proud of our values built on transparency, quality, flexibility, respect and collaboration for a better tomorrow. We know we will make them happen as we are driven by the love of our people and the community we live in. In the year 2014, Akums took the next giant step when it sought to add a new dimension to both its operations and manufacturing prowess. Taking this forward, Akums through its subsidiaries with Source Pharma to provide generic and branded formulations for emerging markets around the globe. Powered by the EU GMP certification, we are able to supply quality medicines to regulated markets in Europe across multiple dosage forms and also partnering with formulation manufacturers across regulated and semi-regulated markets. Today, Akums is led by the vision to enhance the quality of life and well-being of patients around the globe, which is reflected through a product portfolio of generic and branded formulations for emerging markets. Creating a new chapter, Akums Life Sciences is dedicated to research, development, manufacturing and marketing of active pharmaceutical ingredients. Answering the clarion call for a self-sustainable India, Akums' state-of-the-art API manufacturing units have been commissioned to produce high-quality pharmaceutical APIs to cater to global markets. Akums' 3 active pharmaceutical ingredient API sites ensures the production of high-quality APIs to meet the diverse needs of the market. One of Akums' remarkable facilities is the Dera Bassi unit, a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility exclusively dedicated to the production of a comprehensive range of beta-lactam APIs. In addition to the Dera Bassi unit, Akums boasts the Lalaru unit, which serves as a remarkable non-beta-lactam facility. Furthermore, Barwala unit stands as an exceptional center for research and development. This unit is equipped with cutting-edge technology, allowing for pioneering developments in the pharmaceutical field. Akums Life Sciences has niche product pipeline to meet the unmet needs, infrastructure to meet global regulatory markets, a strong team with proven credentials and large capacities for production scale-up across multiple therapeutic areas. Whatever we have achieved till now, it's all indebted to our belief and conviction for excellence, which lies deep in our penchant to serve the society with the best in healthcare solutions. We see all our awards and honorary certifications as reflections of our work and passion to usher in good health for one and all. The world is constantly changing, so is the need to stay relevant to the needs of healthcare. We are innovating, changing the way we think, rewriting the rules of the book so that we can create a new world where possibilities are galore for healthcare. Akums, redefining the world of complete healthcare.